In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram grid post in Canva. We're going to set up the perfect canvas, design a seamless layout, and then split it into clean, ready-to-post squares so your feed looks intentional and polished. First, choose the right canvas size so each square lands at Instagram standard 1080 by 1080 pixels. For a 3-image horizontal banner, use 3240 by 1080 pixels. For a 9-image square grid, go with 3240 by 3240. And for a 12-image grid in a 3x4 layout, use 3240 by 4320. In Canva, click Create a Design, select Custom Size, and enter your dimensions. I'll demonstrate with 3240 by 1080, which creates 3 perfect 1080 pixel panels across. Turn on Precise Alignment tools so you can see where each post will be sliced. Go to File, Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides. From the rulers on the left and top, drag guides onto the canvas every 1080 pixels. On a 3240 wide banner, that means vertical guides at 1080 and 2160. If you're building a 3x3 or 3x4 grid, add guides every 1080 both horizontally and vertically. These guides represent the cut lines, so you know exactly where each square will separate. Now design across the entire canvas. Place your photos, text, and elements so they work as a whole image, and if you want that trendy puzzle effect, let some shapes or graphics overlap the guidelines. This helps the grid connect visually after posting. At the same time, keep readability in mind. Avoid placing crucial text, logos, or faces directly on the guides, because they'll land on the edges of your crops and can look awkward. Use the guides to create natural focal points inside each square. When your design is complete, download it as a high-quality PNG or JPG. PNG stays crisp for graphics and text, while JPG can be smaller in size. You'll then need to slice the design into individual posts. If you want to handle this within Canva, scroll to Apps, search for Image Splitter, open it, and export your finished design into the app. Choose the split that matches your layout, such as a 3x3 for a 9-square grid, and click Split Image. Add the resulting splits to new pages in your project. Delete the original full image, select all the split pages, and go to Share, Download. Choose PNG, select all pages, and download. When posting to Instagram, upload in reverse order. Start with the bottom right square and work backwards so the grid assembles correctly on your profile. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!